Hello, I am Professor Ashish Dasab Shinde, working as an assistant professor in NB Navle Singhad College of Engineering, Solapur. Now today we are going to study next part of the feedback amplifier, that is voltage shunt feedback amplifier. Voltage shunt feedback amplifier. It is also called as inverting amplifier with feedback. Here we have to study or we have to derive the derivations of, again same, closed loop voltage gain, input resistance with feedback, output resistance with feedback, bandwidth with feedback, and total output offset voltage with feedback. These are the bits we have to cover. Now first, inverting amplifier with feedback, that is voltage shunt feedback amplifier. See the circuit arrangement, circuit diagram. Here name as a inverting amplifier with feedback. See here, symbol of the op amp, V in. It is a input supply applied at the inverting, so name as a inverting amplifier. RF, it is a feedback resistor connected in between negative terminal and the output. IF, it is a feedback current. IB, it is a base current or it is a input current for the op amp. RL, it is a load resistance, and we take the output at the pin number 6, that is the V0. Here non-inverting terminal, see here, it is connected to the ground, it is earthing. It is an inverting amplifier with feedback. Here we give the power supply to inverting terminal, that is the pin number 2. Here V2 equivalent to V in, it is a power supply applied at inverting terminal. Here V1, it is a 0, it is connected to the ground. See the different parameters. V in, input supply, see here, V in, it is the input supply. R1, input resistance. I in, it is the input current. RF, feedback resistor. V1, voltage at non-inverting input terminal. V2, voltage at inverting terminal. IB, see here, IB, it is the input current of op amp. IF, feedback current. RL, load resistance. Once again, diagram for inverting amplifier with op amp. Here we apply the power source, that is the V in at the inverting input terminal. So it is an inverting amplifier with feedback. Now first, we have to calculate the closed loop voltage gain. Now see in the diagram, apply the KCL, Kirchhoff's current law, at node point V2. At V2 you have to apply the KCL. So I in, incoming current, is equal to IB, it is a current, input current for the op amp, IF, it is a feedback current. It is a equation number 1. Equation number 1, I in, incoming current, is equal to IB plus IF. Yes, at the node V2. Now, according to the practical characteristics of the op amp, input resistance Ri, it is very high, that is, it is a 2 mega ohm. So, value of input current is negligible. Here we consider IB nearly is equal to 0 because input resistance of the op amp, according to the practical characteristics of the op amp, input resistance, it is very high, it is a 2 mega ohm. See here, it is a 2 mega ohm. So IB nearly is equal to 0. So we can say that IN, incoming current, is equal to IF. So according to the voltage division formula, we can say that I in is equal to IF. I in is equal to IF. With the help of the voltage division formula, we can write down equation number 2. See here. I in is equivalent to the V in minus V2 upon R1, and IF is equal to V2 minus V0 upon RF. It is according to the voltage division formula. We write down the value of I in and IF. Next, but according to the definition of differential amplifier, V0 is equal to capital A V1 minus V2 according to the definition of differential amplifier. Here we consider A is equal to unity, that is the 1. So value of the V1, is 0. Put that value, you will get V2 is equal to minus V0 upon A. V2 is equal to minus V0 upon A. Put the value of V2 in equation number 2. Yes, do the simple mathematics. Put the value of V2 in equation number 2 and rearrange the equation. Yes, simplify this simple mathematics. You will get rearrange the above equation. We will get the equation number 3. Yes, do the practice how to get the equation number 3. Do the rough calculation. See here how you will get the equation number 3. After solving equation number 2, we will get AF, closed loop voltage gain. For inverting amplifier, we will get minus A dot RF upon RF plus R1 plus A dot R1. Above equation, it is not an exact voltage gain of the inverting amplifier because A is very large. So we can say that A dot R1, it is very large than RF plus R1. So A dot R1 nearly equivalent to RF plus R1 plus A dot R1. So we will get equation number 4. AF is equal to minus RF upon R1. It is equation number 4. Equation number 4 is ideal value of closed loop voltage gain of inverting amplifier, and negative sign indicates that the output is 180 degree out of phase with respect to input. Equation number 4 It is the equation for closed loop voltage gain, ideal value of the closed loop voltage gain of the inverting amplifier. AF is equal to minus RF upon R1. See here, this concept required us in a application of the op-amp inverting amplifier with feedback. Go through the diagram and derivation. Again, this is required while solving the problem. Thank you.